Okay, this is like my favorite set to do. Call you up in the middle of the night, like a firefly without any light. And you were there like a blowtorch burning. I'm just a key that could use a little tuning. I'm so tired, but I'll never fucking sleep. There's so many secrets I couldn't keep, and I promised myself I wouldn't weep. Oh, it's just one more promise that I couldn't keep, and it seems no one can help me now, 'cause I'm just in too deep and there's no way out. So this is the time I really led myself astray. Runaway train, I'm never coming back. Runaway train, I'll tear up the track. Runaway train, 'cause it's burning in my veins. I'll run away, but it always stays the same. Can you help me just remember how to smile? Thinking somehow I can feel worthwhile. Well, how on earth did I get so jaded? Well, life's mystery seems so faded, and I can go and no one else can go, and I know what no one else knows. But here I am, I'm just drowning in my pain, with this ticket for a runaway train. And every day seems so cut and dry, the day, the night, the earth and the sky. So somehow I don't believe it. Bought a ticket for a runaway train, like a madman laughing at the rain. A little hour to touch, a little insane. Oh, it's just easier than dealing with this pain. Run away, I'm never coming back. Run away, I'll tear up the track. Run away, it's burning in my veins. I'll run away, but it's always still the same. You always want every time you place that bet, 'cause you're so damn fucking good, and no one's ever gonna touch me yet. But a gambler's share, shit's the only loss that I could take. The only claim I couldn't fake. I'm still the same, no one's standing in my way. I'm turning on the charm, just long enough to get you back. still the same. You know I still get high. I still get high. For all these buckets of rain, I've heard enough about those mind-numbing games that you play. I am a gentleman, didn't I ask for a place I could stay? What were we both thinking? The next part just got in the way. You were just always talking about changing. Well, what if I am the same man, the same man I always was? Now all these words that you say, like I'll forget about those mind-numbing games that you play. I am a gentleman, didn't I pay for every laugh, every dime, every bit, every time? But then you feed me some lines, I won't hear one more. What about changing? Cause guess what, I am the same then, the same I always was. But the days pass, turn into weeks where we don't even speak. We'll just lay wide awake, pretend we're asleep. Then you go home alone, you're checking your phone, and you're looking at me like I'm something you're not. All these buckets of rain, I've heard enough about those mind-numbing games that you play. I am a gentleman, didn't I answer every time that you call? Pick you up when you fall, but you never listen at all. You were just always talking about changing. Well, guess what, I am the same man, I'm still the same man I always was.